Hi! In front of me is REALME C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to select Apps and Notifications over here, click on Permission Manager and pick one of your phone's features, like location. Then pick one of your apps. I will go with Amazon Music and pick one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, allow only when using the app, so I have to tap on it and go back. And now, as you can see, Amazon Music gained access to this device location while I'm using it. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select See All from Permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!